Graphic design can be a tricky niche to look for laptops in. On one hand, you want good performance to work with editing sites and software like Photoshop, Canva, and Illustrator, and on the other, you don't really need something that powerful as to what you'd find in a gaming laptop. As a designer, you'll find that color and display can be just as important in a laptop. Color accuracy can greatly depend on the screen's performance, and without that, your designs can end up looking less impactful than intended. While your average gaming laptop typically provides a good display, strong performance, and durability, they can be on the more expensive side, less portable, and can consume way too much energy than what's needed, making the battery life a misery. So, what's a great-priced laptop that's particularly good for graphic design? We found that the Lenovo Yoga 7i16 is a top pick, and is highly rated for its features that cater to designers. To start with, it's a 16-inch QHD Plus touchscreen display that offers a good amount workspace with sharp visuals and accurate color reproduction, and supports 100% sRGB for precise design work. It was released back in 2022, with the 7th Gen model, Yoga 7i16 Gen 7, becoming available in the middle of that year. Subsequent updates, including the 8th Gen model, were then introduced a year later, and that's the most recent model, so it's still pretty new. However, there is now the Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition, which is similar but not exactly the same. This one was released this year and has an updated processor and display. It's definitely the more powerful of the two, and it's a great option for designers. But it's just a little too pricey for what we're looking for. The Lenovo Yoga 7i16 offers a pretty large display, and you get Intel's latest U and P series CPUs that are good enough to handle the speed and efficiency needed for running design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Canva. While the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics are not as powerful as dedicated GPUs, it's still sufficient for standard graphic design tasks and moderate 2D, 3D rendering. But what I like most about this laptop is its awesome convertible design. It has a 360-degree hinge that allows it to switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, offering flexibility for different creative workflows. It has a touch screen, and it's compatible with pens for things like precise drawing and sketching. Despite its large display, it's actually relatively portable at around 2 kilograms. Not the lightest, though. Especially when you compare it to the Yoga Slim Aura, which weighs approximately 1.46 kilograms. But the battery life on the 7i16 is great for light browsing and document usage, where it can last up to 19 hours. That does become much less on high settings, though, to around 2 hours when doing intensive tasks, which is about the same as a gaming laptop. This laptop isn't for everyone, but it does meet its intended user. The features and flexibility make it an awesome choice for graphic designers in particular. For detailed specs and information on these laptops, see our links below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.